Well, hello there, friend. Andrew Najera here with Drew Installs Hardware. Today we're going to be changing the swing of this existing door on this bathroom. Ah, man, this is an old door and an old frame at an old school. But man, they just needed this door to swing out if there was any way possible. So we're trying to help the customer out. We're going to be using a Roton. It's a something or other, 7 something or other. This is a surface mounted continuous hinge. It's going to go on the outside of the frame right there, and then it's a screw to the face of the door with some sex bolts and some other screws. We got going to be about 1 5/8 over from the edge of the frame to the back of the hinge, and then it's going to be about a 1/16 down from the head of the frame is what the instructions say. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right there, and then we're going to drop that door, take some of the hardware off, flip some of the hardware around. Now I got some shims placed at the bottom. There's about a 1/2 inch undercut, so put some shims at the bottom, and then I have 1/8 inch shims placed along the stop all the way around to give me the clearance on the stop. And then I've got some shims at the head to give me an 1/8 inch reveal at the head. And then I got 1/16 inch shims on the hinge side because I'm trying to give myself a little bit more clearance on the latch side. It looked like everything was going to be tight, and the instructions said 1/16 was the minimum gap on the hinge side. So now I got the door set in the opening, and I'm going to shim it all up and put some shims on all the sides, on that latch side there, to give me the reveal I'm looking for. So we got it up, got my latch side reveal, and then now I closed that hinge and screwed it to the door. Now I'm going to put the sex bolts on it, get it exactly where we want it. This is what it's looking like now. Hey, it's swinging. So we flip the handle set around. We're going to flip the vent around and make sure those screws stay on the inside. We flip the door bottom around. I'm going to throw some metal in all those old closer screw holes. You know, there's only supposed to be 4 there. You can tell they might have had a little problem with the original install. And then here's our door. The swing's changed. It opens up. Oh, we threw a new push arm closer on it also. That was nice. Oh yeah, it latched. Man, I love it when they latch. Let's see. I want to see that again. I want to hear that again. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Let's see. Does it latch? Listen. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. All right. Catch you next time.